This is how to make skin nourishing Choc almond balls. To start with, mix coconut oil, cocoa powder and honey together.
Okay, let's do it!
Add a teaspoon of Tremella mushroom powder.
I know that Tremella mushroom is a skincare mushroom. It moisturizes and nourishes your skin. It looks and tastes like gelatin too.
Next, you coat each almond with the chocolate mixture.
Can I have one, please? Please, 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 please. Please, 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 please. Pretty please, 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 please. Please, please, please.
Okay, let me wash my hands.
Yes, yes. Are we there yet? Are we there yet? Are we there yet? Come on, please, I really need it. They look really good. Are we there yet? Are we there yet? Are we there yet? Are we there yet? I can't wait.
Here you go.
Ew, it looks like tree front poo.